Oh man, I'm so sick. Achoo! Oh man, kill me. Kill me.
Hey, Jet, how's it? Ooh, you don't look so good.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, I don't look good? Well, you don't look good. You don't ever look good. Ugly.
Jet, you look pretty sick.
What? Me? Sick? No. What gave that away? I'm not sick. I mean, I have tissues right here and I'm coughing every time I talk, but no, I'm not sick.
I'm gonna go call a doctor, alright, Jet?
Wait, why would you do that? Why would you call a doctor? You must be calling a doctor for you. You must be sick because you wouldn't be calling a doctor for me because I'm not sick. Nope, I'm not sick. I feel perfect.
Alright, Jet, I'm gonna go. Hey, Jet, I got the doctor.
Hello, I am Dr. Frederick Heisenberger. I'm a German doctor, and I heard you were sick.
You heard I was sick? Well, you heard wrong, old man. Maybe you should trim that hair around your ears because you're so old. Because I'm not sick. I mean, yeah, I got tissues right next to me. And I cough every time I talk, but no, I'm not sick. I'm perfectly fine.
You cannot fool me. I'm a doctor. Let me check your temperature. You burned my hand.
Well, I am a hot piece of ass.
No, you don't understand. That means you have the bird flu. Do you know what that is?
Is it a bird that flew?
No, it means you're going to die.
What? Die? Well, no, I don't want to die. I'm too young to die. There's still so much stuff I haven't done yet. I don't want to die. Cure me, cure me.
Well, there is one cure for the bird flu.
Well, I guess I'll do what I have to do.
What are you doing?
Come here, Doc.
What are you doing?
I thought that. Never mind. I thought something else.
No, that is an experimental medicine I created. I call it Tylenol. But be warned, there are irreversible side effects. Hein, Wein, Hustenwurten, Heil ihm! Oh, I'm so sorry. That must be my German ancestry coming out. It must be the North.
Well, looks like I'm gonna take it, cause what's the worst thing that can happen? I'm a bit better. Man, I just took that pill.
Jet, are you sure that was a good idea to take that pill? The doctor said it had irreversible side effects.
What side effects? Like my knob getting bigger? And between me and you, I kinda need that.
But what if the side effects are bad, Jet?
What? There's nothing bad about my knob getting bigger. I mean, I might have to tie it in a knot.
Ouch.
Yeah, damn right, ouch. Be ouch for the women, because it's so big, you know? But anyway, Sonic, what's the worst that could happen? You know what, Sonic? I feel better already. I'll talk to you later.
Oh my god!
Ew, disgusting. Hey, Jet, you should really clean up your used tissues before you get everyone else sick, too.
Wait, well, those tissues were used before I was sick.
Oh, disgusting! Oh, disgusting!
What?
You have two heads!
Wait, the pill's working that fast?
No, you have two heads!
I mean, I know it's huge, but come on, man.
No, you don't understand. You have two faces.
What?
You literally have two faces.
Who's this short dude?
What did you call me?
I didn't call you anything.
What did you call me?
I said you were short.
Call me short one more time!
I didn't call you short. Yeah, I did. I called you super short.
You know what?
What?
Take this! I hope you learned your lesson, Jet.
I didn't learn anything. I think you should do it again.
What'd you say to me, Jet?
I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything.
You want some more?
Yeah, I want some more. Give me all you got. My grandma can hit harder than that. Come on. Is that all you got?
Yeah, next time learn to think before you speak.
I think you could hit harder than that.
Jet! You got two heads!
I know. I just found out.
I think the man who did this to you.
Dummy got it. What? Shut up. Look, Sonic, call that doctor. I want the second head removed. Wait. Why would you want me removed? I'm your best pal. Because you got me beat up by Knuckles for calling him short. Is he not short, though?
I mean, he is, though.
Sonic, just call that doctor. I want him removed. Well, you know what? If you remove me, you know what I'm gonna do? What? Oh, he's by my head! He's by my head!
What?
He's by my head!
Oh, I'll go get the doctor right now.
Stop by my head!
Jet, I got the doctor.
Oh my goodness, you have 3 heads now.
I know, thank you.
You're welcome. This must be a side effect of the medicine.
This man calls himself a doctor. Shut up.
The good news is that you're not sick anymore.
Well, I'm glad I'm not sick, but I don't want two heads.
The bad news is that if you don't get rid of that head, it will slowly start taking over your body and your head will fall off.
What? I don't want my head to fall off. Yeah, I'm gonna start taking over.
Well, there is one other option. You could kill the other head. Anyways, good luck.
Well, kill the other head. You're not gonna do that. You can't get rid of me. Oh yeah? Watch this.
Jet, I'm gonna get the gun! Jet, I got the gun!
Sonic, he's taking over. Yeah, Sonic, he's taking over.
Oh no, which has the real Jet?
Come on, Sonic, you know I'm the real Jet. No, Sonic, you know I'm the real Jet.
There's only one way to find out. I'll ask you a bunch of questions, and whoever gets it right is the real Jet.
That sounds fair. Yeah, that sounds fair.
I'll start with you. Who is my best friend?
Your mom? Is it not?
I mean, the real Jet will say that. Alright, you're next. What is my favorite color?
Blue? I mean, you're blue, so that's kind of
I
obvious.
mean, it is blue. Alright, you're next. What does Ronald Weasley say in 1 hour, 2 minutes, and 6 seconds in The Prisoner of Azkaban?
I don't know. He says, shut your mouth, Malfoy.
Oh no! Oh no!
You shot the wrong one.
Oh no! I just got too excited. You got it right. What have I done? Oh my god.
Idiot.